Hey TechKnowStuds, and when I say studs, I mean both students, and you are awesome. Thanks for joining me in these videos. So in this module, we're going to talk about threats to security. To really understand how to protect our networks, how to protect our businesses, how to protect our organizations, we really have to understand what the threats are first. And so let's reverse engineer this. Let's look at the threats and what is going to be the vulnerabilities to our network and how attackers would use those vulnerabilities. And then we can start talking about how we're going to protect against that. In this module, we're going to start out by talking about vulnerabilities. We'll talk about what vulnerabilities are, what are some of the categories of vulnerabilities, and the vulnerability lifecycle. Then we're going to get into threat agents or threat actors and what they are and why are they threatening our network. We're going to get into common types of attacks, one of those being social engineering, how attackers will use people to leverage to get into our networks and our cybersecurity domains. We'll talk about how passwords are hacked. We're going to get into a video on malware and define some of the different types of malware there are. We're going to talk about some common equipment vulnerabilities and then some common networking vulnerabilities.